Now, Kayla Smith, there is a meteor shower going on today. It started in the early parts of this morning and is continuing on through our day here. That can be viewed in a lot of different parts of the nation, including right here in West Virginia. So could you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, so last night was kind of one of the best nights to view, and especially we had some really great conditions here in West Virginia, sky-wise, to be viewing meteors, and some of our viewers ended up seeing meteors. This one was sent to us from Power Wash Bros, and you can definitely see that little streak in the sky of one of those meteors from the shower. This was at Bunner Ridge Park in Fairmont last night. Very gorgeous photo, and really a one in a million shot to be able to photograph. To see a meteor is a
very rare occasion. And thank you so much for sending this in. This is a gorgeous shot.
Yeah, so to even be able to take a photo of it, absolutely phenomenal. It was a little bit too cold out for me to want to sit outside and watch for those meteors, so unfortunately I did not catch one myself, so I'm glad that I was able to see a photo. Here were some of the morning lows that we saw around our area today. Canade Valley dropped down to 9 degrees this morning. Hacker Valley was at 17 degrees. Weston was at 18 degrees. Fairmont was at 19. Fairmont at 15. Very, very chilly. And when you look at Clarksburg, Elkins, and Morgantown, areas that we have average temperatures for, where we have enough data to collect to form that average temperature, you can tell it was very well below average in all three of these areas. So definitely a very chilly morning. Thankfully, throughout the next couple of days, we will see those temperatures steadily rising back to around this average, which these averages are still very cold temperatures for the mornings, but it's what we expect to see in north central West Virginia for this time in December. Our satellite and radar now showing once again very clear skies. Has been the case for much of this week. We did have a little bit of cloud cover passing through earlier this afternoon, but that has since moved out. We're under the influence of a high pressure system that is almost smack dab over West Virginia. And this high pressure system is going to keep us very dry and comfortable through tomorrow. We'll start to see some cloud cover increase on Saturday ahead of a system that's going to be bringing us some rain showers on Sunday and eventually changing over into some snow showers for Monday night into Tuesday. You can see some of that system right here, but this one's actually going to get kind of meshed in with the larger system that is still kind of conjuring up in the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to be the main system that kind of overtakes this one, and they will all come together as one, bringing rain showers across much of the eastern United States, and for some of us, especially our higher elevations, eventually some snow shower activity as well. So currently temperatures are in about the mid to upper 50s in the lowlands, a little bit cooler in those higher elevations. Davis at a temperature of 36 degrees. Overnight tonight, low temperatures, still chilly, but not as chilly as last night. Not many areas expected to reach the teens. We'll probably be falling to the mid to upper 20s in the lowlands and the low 20s in the higher elevations. Our high temperatures tomorrow, going to be even warmer than today. We're on that warming trend. So many of us expected to break that 50-degree mark tomorrow. It's going to be a really nice day. Lots of sunshine still apparent. Even with a little bit less sunshine on Saturday, that southerly flow is going to be picking up. Some of us have the potential to reach 60 degrees on Saturday. And if you can remember back the last 2 weekends, we've had both weekends in December so far with temperatures in the 60s. So it would be pretty impressive if we're able to have a third weekend in a row where area temperatures are getting into the 60s. It's really not what you expect to see in December, but we've been very fortunate to have those 60-degree temperatures on the weekends. Now, taking a look at your mountain cast, those areas will try to be reaching the 50-degree mark for Friday and Saturday, but those temperatures start their decline on Sunday as those rain showers come in, and it's only going to get cooler heading into the start of next week. So looking at the futurecast, these two low pressure systems are going to start to merge into one heading towards Sunday. We're likely to see some rain shower activity in our area by the time we get to a little bit later Sunday morning and kind of lasting on and off throughout the day. on Sunday. It's likely going to continue into Monday as well, likely in an on and off fashion. There's still some discrepancy on how much rain we're going to see and discrepancy on how much snow we'll see as well. But regardless, as that low pressure system starts to pull its way further towards the northeast, we see more of that cooler air getting brought down from Canada and thus changing that precipitation type from rain into snow. We could even see some light snow in the lowlands for a little bit Monday night into early Tuesday morning, but as is typical, it will linger in the higher elevations a little bit longer even after that system is long gone, likely tapering off by the time we get to the end of Tuesday. Models are still in a bit of disagreement on how much snow we could see. Here's a comparison of our two major models, the Euro and the GFS. Notice that both of them really not expecting much in the lowlands, but those higher elevations, a lot of discrepancy. You see 8 inches for Webster Springs and Euro compared to 2 inches on the GFS. So there's still a wide range of possibilities on how much snow we could see with this system. So stick with us as we continue to hone in on how much we expect to see. Generally, what we can say right now is it's likely going to be another dusting type in the lowlands and some type of measurable snow in those higher elevations. Looking at your 7-day forecast, those temperatures are going to be cooler next week and coolest on Tuesday with highs in the lowlands only in the mid-30s.